Good evening and welcome to the news. I'm Dinesh Shrentle. Here are today's top stories. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurates and lays the foundation stone of several development projects worth over 11,000 crore rupees at Guwahati in Assam. Home Minister Amit Shah addresses the valedictory ceremony of the Commonwealth Attorneys and Solicitors General Conference 2024. The BJP launches Gaao Chalo Abhiyan to bridge the gap between urban and rural areas by taking central government schemes to the last person. Meghalaya BJP asks the government to come clean on the extension of the JHADC and KHADC term. And India faces Nepal in the Super 6 match of the ICC Under-19 Cricket World Cup 2024 in South Africa. Let's look at the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated and laid the foundation stone of several development projects worth over 11,000 crore rupees at Guwahati in Assam this afternoon. Addressing the gathering, the Prime Minister said that the launch of the projects will strengthen the connectivity of the Northeast region with other South Asian countries. He said these projects will increase employment opportunities in the tourism sector.
असम समेत पूरे नॉर्थ ईस्ट में क्या स्थिति थी। पूरे नॉर्थ ईस्ट में रेल यात्रा और हवाई यात्रा बहुत ही सीमित थी। सड़कें संकरी भी थी और खराब भी थी। एक राज्य से दूसरे राज्य में आना जाना तो छोड़िए, एक जिले से दूसरे जिले में आने जाने में भी कई घंटे लग जाते थे। इन सारी परिस्थितियों को आज भाजपा की डबल इंजन सरकार ने, एनडीए सरकार ने बदला है।
Home Minister Amit Shah addressed the valedictory ceremony of the Commonwealth Legal Education Association Commonwealth Attorneys and Solicitors General Conference 2024 in New Delhi today. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the conference yesterday. The theme of the conference is Cross-Border Challenges in Justice Delivery. The conference is deliberate on important issues of law and justice like judicial transition and the ethical dimensions of legal practice, executive accountability, and revisiting modern-day legal education, among others. The BJP has launched the Gaao Chalo Abhiyan to bridge the gap between urban and rural areas. Under the campaign, party workers will go to 7 lakh villages and all urban booths will take the work done by the Narendra Modi government to the last person. Over 30 lakh party workers will participate in the Abhiyan. The launch marked an auspicious beginning for the initiative starting from the Palampur Assembly constituency in the state. The India Meteorological Department has forecast that the wet spell is likely to continue over northwest and adjoining central India till tomorrow. Light to moderate rainfall will continue at isolated places over Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, Rajasthan, Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. The IMD has also predicted light to moderate rainfall and snowfall over Arunachal Pradesh during the next 3 days. The Weather Office said isolated to scattered rainfall is likely over West Bengal, Sikkim, Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Mizoram, Manipur and Tripura. The BJP has asked the Meghalaya government to come clean about its decision to extend the term of both the houses of the KHADC and JHADC. Reacting to the move, BJP spokesperson M. Kharkrang said that the government can extend the term with only valid reasons and if there is an emergency. Pointing out that the people want clarity, Kharkrang said that the term of the two houses cannot be extended on flimsy grounds. It may be recalled that the decision to extend the KHADC and JHADC's tenure was taken by the state cabinet, which met on Friday.
See, so now you cannot extend the term of this council on, flimsy grounds and all. There has to be some valid reason. So we leave it to the government to come clear on that.
The NPP and BJP may be partners in the MDA government, but the latter has ruled out any pre-poll alliance with the ruling party in the state in the much-anticipated Lok Sabha elections. BJP spokesperson M. Kharkrang on Saturday said, "I don't see any reason for a pre-poll alliance with NPP." Kharkrang, on the other hand, also defended the delay in announcement of candidates for the Lok Sabha polls by the BJP. He, however, said that the candidates may be finalized within this month.
Should be expecting, though some of them have given their applications for the party ticket, but these have not been forwarded to Delhi as yet because they have yet to ask.
The NPP-led MDA has stated that as long as all legislators are made aware about what is spoken by the governor and an English translation of his speech is circulated among all the members, there should be no objection. This comes after the opposition VPP announcement that their MLAs will not be part of the proceedings of the Assembly if the Governor, Phagu Chauhan, addresses the House in Hindi and the Assembly Secretary does not arrange a translator. Cabinet Minister and MDA spokesperson Ampareen Lingdo said if Hindi is to be spoken in the Legislative Assembly, it must be ensured that the majority of the non-Hindi speaking legislators be made privy to what is being said by the governor.
Legislators should be privy to what is being said by the Honorable Governor. We must remember that in this landmark addressal of the Legislative Assembly, the Governor, who is the administrative head of the state, comes before his House, his Assembly, to tell the Assembly the plans and programs that we have in the next 5 years.
The state government's move to relocate the hawkers to Veronica Lane in Laikmkra has been met with opposition. Residents and stakeholders of educational institutes in the vicinity of Veronica Lane have opposed it, prompting Cabinet Minister Ampareen Lingdo to say that the government will not go ahead with this move if people do not want it. At the same time, however, she reminded that the decision to move the hawkers was taken after due consultations with all stakeholders.
Collaboration with the Darbar, in collaboration with the DC, the vendors committees, we have thought of this plan to relocate and free the pedestrian way from Police Point to Beach House in this location. We have sat with all line departments, we have engaged actively with the Darbar. But if the people who live all along Veronica Lane do not want it to happen, I have nothing to say.
Over to sports. In football, Mumbai City FC and Jamshedpur FC will square off in the Indian Super League at the Mumbai Football Arena today at 7:30 p.m. Earlier, Punjab FC emerged victorious over Bengaluru FC by 3-1 at the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium in New Delhi yesterday. India faced Nepal in the Super 6 match of the ICC Under-19 Cricket World Cup 2024 at Bloemfontein in South Africa today. Defending champions India are in great form, having defeated New Zealand by 214 runs in their last game, while their opponents Nepal faced a major defeat by Bangladesh. India will secure a spot in the semi-finals if they manage to defeat Nepal in today's match. And now for a quick look at today's weather. The maximum temperature was 15.1 degrees Celsius with the minimum temperature dipping to 3.6 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 51%, dropping marginally to 50% in the evening. The forecast shows us light to moderate rain is likely to occur at isolated places. And now for a quick recap of today's headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurates and lays the foundation stone of several development projects worth over 11,000 crore rupees at Guwahati in Assam. Home Minister Amit Shah addresses the valedictory ceremony of the Commonwealth Attorneys and Solicitors General Conference 2024. The BJP launches gaalo aban to bridge the gap between urban and rural areas by taking central government schemes to the last person. Meghalaya BJP asks the government to come clean on the extension of JHADC and KHADC term. And India faces Nepal in the Super 6 match of the ICC Under-19 Cricket World Cup 2024 in South Africa. That's all the news we have this evening. Thank you for watching.